What if one day your bank account drops to zero, your stocks turn to nothing, and all the money you've worked for disappears in a flash? Imagine the fear: markets crashing, rich people becoming poor, and paper money empires falling apart like old books. But from those ruins, some things stay strong and help rebuild. What are they? And how can they protect you from the next big money disaster? Welcome to Coins and Chaos, where we break down the crazy world of money and what survives the tough times. Today, we're looking at what lasts after wealth is gone. 10 money-related things proven by history's worst crashes. These aren't just tips for surviving. They're the lasting parts of wealth that can help you start over. Stick around, because by the end, you might change how you handle your money. Let's get started. We start with the classic survivor that laughs at money crashes: gold and other precious metals, the shiny protectors that shine through dark times. Think about the crazy high prices in Germany in 1923. After the war, they printed so much money that a beer cost billions. Paper money became worthless toys, but people with gold, they traded it for food and came out better while the government struggled. Jump to the 1970s in the US, when prices rose fast at 14%, and Nixon ended the gold link. Gold's price jumped from $35 to $850 per ounce, keeping people's savings safe. Why does gold last? There's only so much of it. It's easy to trade, and people want it more during scary times. No bank can make more, and crises make it more valuable. At the end of the Roman Empire around 476 AD, when their coins lost value, hidden gold helped rich people escape and start new lives in another place. For your money, this means put 5 to 10% into real gold or funds like SPDR Gold Shares GLD. When wealth disappears, gold stays strong. It wins. Is your savings in gold or nothing? But metals aren't the only ones that last. Moving to our second one, real estate, the solid land that bounces back from bad economies with strong determination. Remember the 2008 world money crisis. Bad loans sank stocks by 57%. House prices cut in half fast. But good properties in strong areas came back strong, growing 150% by 2020, as people rented and then bought in the comeback. Or think about Japan's 1990s tough years, when bubbles popped and banks failed. Landlords kept going by renting to companies that sold abroad, avoiding the price drop pull. Real estate lasts because there's not much of it. It gives shelter, and it makes steady money. Taxes hurt, but real things beat short-term deals. During the Great Depression from 1929 to 1933, farm owners turned their land into money by growing basic food when city people left towns. Today, grab REITs like Vanguard Real Estate, VNQ, or use Fundrise to buy small parts. When wealth is gone, buildings beat digital stuff. Own land or stay stuck? Are you building your own empire or just looking on Zillow? This land strength leads us to something very personal: human capital, your skills, knowledge, and know-how that no economy crash can take away. Imagine the 2000 internet bubble burst. Tech giants fell 78%. Jobs cut everywhere in Silicon Valley. But programmers and engineers? They worked freelance, creating big companies like Google from the ruins of old sites. Or look at Argentina's 2001 crisis, when their money system broke and bank accounts froze. Accountants and traders became secret dealers, their smarts growing in the mess. Human capital lasts because you can't run out of it. It changes with needs, and it gets more valuable. Crises cut out weak players, pushing the skilled ahead. At the end of the Soviet Union in 1991, Economists from hidden markets became rich business leaders, using their brains for big oil deals. Improve yours. Learn on Coursera about AI or money. Connect on LinkedIn for jobs. Wealth gone? Skills fight back. What skill will lift you from worker to boss? Talking about brainpower's hidden wins, that leads to our fourth: intellectual property, patents, copyrights, and brands that grow even after crashes. See the 1929 Wall Street crash. Stocks fell 89%. Companies broke. But Coca-Cola's secret recipe kept going, its brand keeping billions in fan loyalty while others failed. Or look at Iceland's 2008 bank crash. Their money dropping 80%. Software patents from companies like CCP Games, EVE Online, sold abroad, lasting as online worlds. IP survives because it creates monopolies, makes money, and doesn't care about markets. Laws stay even when books of accounts fail. After World War II, stolen German patents helped U.S. growth, but the originals led comebacks. Protect yours. File trademarks with USPTO. Sell ideas on sites like Royalty Exchange. When wealth is gone, ideas jump ahead. Is your creation protected or just an idea? But ideas need support. Bringing in Asset 5, commodities and raw materials, the money machines that power comebacks. Think of the 1973 oil shocks. OPEC raised prices 300%, slow growth choking everything. But commodity bosses like copper miners made money, their materials supporting the tech boom that followed. In Brazil's 1980s super high prices, up to 2,000%, soybean and iron sellers traded for foreign money, skipping their own money's fall. Commodities hold on because they go in cycles, are key, and wanted worldwide. Supply lines break, but need keeps eating. The 1637 tulip craze crash broke bulbs, but spice traders kept steady, their ships holding wealth. Invest with futures or ETFs like United States Commodity Index USCI. Wealth gone? Raw stuff rises. Ready to improve your gains or stuck in danger? This stuff strength flows into a trading basic. Barter networks and other currencies, the hidden economies that shine when normal money fails. During Zimbabwe's 2008 nothing time, inflation at 79 billion%, people traded goods in street markets, diamonds for dollars secretly. Or remember Greece's 2015 debt mess, euros gone from machines. Barter groups grew, swapping olive oil for services in local teams. These networks last because they're based on trust, real things, and handle trouble. No government can knock them down. In America's Depression years, local money systems helped closed stores survive. Grow yours. Join apps like Barter Card or Facebook groups for trades. When wealth is gone, trades take over. Building connections or wasting money? But in our connected world, barter changes into cryptocurrencies and digital assets. The no-border walls breaking through crashes. Think of Cyprus in 2013. Banks taking 10% from savings, but Bitcoin grew 500% as people switched to crypto. In Venezuela's money blackout since 2016, endless high prices, miners made millions trading digital coins for things. Crypto lasts with locked records in blockchain, spread out and not inflating. Hacks occur, but no overprinting. Started from 2008's bank lies, Satoshi's idea grew in the mess. Jump in with wallets like Ledger, spread to Ethereum for lending gains. Wealth gone? Digital fights back. Interested in crypto or stuck with cash? This digital energy leads us to lasting fun things. Art, antiques, and collectibles. The pretty holders that grow in value through end times. The 1970s, UK high prices fire, rates up to 25%, saw stamps and statues rise as people wanted solid things. Or, after 1987's Black Monday, markets cut 23% in a day. Yet Warhol art went up, auction places busy. These treasures do well on being rare, romantic, and easy to sell. Feelings beat money rules. In the 1920s, Germany wild times, art prints traded for food. Hunt on Sotheby's or buy parts on masterworks. When wealth shrinks, wonders grow. Collecting smart or just gathering junk? Art's pull lines up with another non-touch ace. Brands and reputation, the hidden giants standing tall over trouble. Think Enron's 2001 fall, stock from $90 to cents. But leaders with clean names started over as advisors, using their fame for money. In South Korea's 1997 World Bank shame, big companies fell, yet Samsung's brand shone more, jumping to billions. Reputation lasts as it's about relationships, can rebuild, and makes money. Trust moves wealth. After Lehman in 2008, bankers with strong names remade funds quick. Improve yours. Write on Medium. Get certified on Upwork. Wealth gone? Fame comes back. Brand leader or just average? Finally, tying these together. Economic networks and alliances. The connections weaving money from mess. During Thailand's 1997 spread crisis, money fell 50%. Business groups teamed for big buys, lasting through money troubles. Networks keep going with partners, deals, and shared gains. No going down alone. In Detroit's 2013 broke time, car teams sped up help. Make yours. Join business groups. Team on Discord. When wealth is gone, connections win. Linked up or left out? We've gone from gold's shine to networks' links, showing what lasts after wealth is gone. Money echoes carved in history. These are your guide against chaos. If this sparked you, like, subscribe, comment your top lasting thing. Until next, beat the chaos.